Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about Beats Flex earphones just like these with a blinking red light. I'll be going over how to fix it easily and what does it mean when they have a blinking red light. So let's get right into the video. There are essentially 5 things that I want to talk about. Now the first thing is what does it mean and what's the easiest way to fix it. So the first thing is what does it mean and the easiest way to fix it. Essentially a blinking red light on the power button over here means that your battery charge level is low, is critically low for the Beats Flex earphones. So the first fix and the easiest fix is to charge them up. If you see a blinking red light, just go to your local charger, your nearest charger, and charge them up. That's fix number 1. If that doesn't work, you're going to move on to fix number 2, which is to wiggle the charging cable. And that's because maybe they're not actually receiving significant enough charge. Maybe the cable, is all worn down over the years, over the times that you've charged these earphones or anything else you've charged with that same cable, and just wiggle the cable. And if you get it to work at a certain angle, then definitely you should replace the cable as soon as possible because it means that your cable is likely bad. It can also mean that the connection to the charging port is bad, so look for debris in here, but most likely it's going to be the cable. If that doesn't work, you're going to move on to fix number 3, which is to check the power source. Let's say I had my charging brick plugged into this wall outlet that I have over here. You can't really see it. You see the light switches over here, but there's a wall outlet over here. I thought it was in the camera frame, but it's not. And it's not charging, and the blinking red light is not going away. Try a different power source. Sometimes, you think that the outlet is working fine, but in reality, the circuit breaker tripped, or the fuse blew, or some other problem with the outlet. So just try a different power source. Try a different power brick, try a different cable, try a different power source completely, like a different outlet in the house, try a different outlet in a different building. Just check the power source and try out a different power source as well. You can also plug in a lamp to the outlet and make sure that the outlet itself works, and you can sort of narrow it down from there, okay? If that doesn't work, number 4, which I kind of already mentioned, is try a new charging cable. So like I said, you can, if your power source works, if there's nothing in the charging port, no dirt or debris in the charging port, and essentially you're still not able to get rid of that blinking red light and still not able to charge them, then you might want to consider replacing the charging brick that plugs into the outlet or the cable, right? And the good thing is that most of the cables that will work for these are like super cheap. I wouldn't recommend getting an aftermarket one, but if you already have a different one lying around the house that you've used, that's a first party cable for a different product, because it's just a USB-C cable. So if you just have a different USB-C cable, first party from a different product, try it out, see if that helps. And last but not least, if none of those other ones work, number 5 is to reset the earphones. Resetting the earphones takes like less than 20 seconds, really easy to do. I've done a separate tutorial on it, so go look it up. It's a really easy process. I'll tell you how to do it right now. Basically, you want to press and hold down the power button and the volume down button together for about 15 seconds until you see this light flash a few times. It's going to flash red a few times. So press and hold down the power button and the volume down button for about 15 seconds, and you'll see this red light flash a few times, and you'll have reset them. Then try charging them up and see if that works. But that's it. If your Beats Flex have a blinking red light, that is how to fix it and what does it mean essentially. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it an awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.